What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be going to a local shop to go and get the alignment done and some new tires installed on the Supra. This is the only day I have available this week to go and get it knocked out before we head up to Sound Performance to get the tune and everything like that done later this week. I'm super stoked to get these new tires put on. They are Toyo R888Rs, so they should be super sticky. The tread wear rating is only 100, and yeah, it should be awesome. The only thing that kind of concerns me is that they have these warning labels on them. I don't know how well you guys can see this here. It says, do not move or operate car when these tires are in conditions below 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, on Thursday and Friday, it was about 80 degrees. Over the weekend, it was right around 70s. So of course today, that means it needs to be about 32 degrees and snowing outside. We're gonna go and stick to the back roads today just to kind of keep out of traffic. It should be about 20 or 30 minutes to go and get to the shop. Just kind of take things slow. We should be fine. I'm a little bit nervous about driving the car on 10-year-old tires in these kind of conditions, but I think it'll be all right as long as we take it slow and stick to the back roads. So let's get to it. Well, that was stressful. All right, we have officially made it over to Gator Motorsport where we will be getting the alignment done and tires installed. So let's go ahead and head on in. Our appointment's not for about another 20 minutes, so we'll probably have some waiting around to do, but we can at least check out the inside of the shop, show you guys around there a little bit, and yeah, who knows, maybe we'll get in early. Singles way better out here in the sunlight. Dang, man. That thing looks so gorgeous.
How are you, sir?
Hey, doing great, man.
Good.
I'm Nick. Are you Dino?
I'm Brian.
You're Brian? Nice to meet you, man.
And you're here to see me now?
Yeah, I got an appointment for 1 o'clock.
Cool. He's right here, sir.
So, hey, what's going on, man?
How's it going?
Nice to see you.
Nice seeing you. How's it
So,
going?
I'm loving the sweater, man. It's growing great. So, pardon my GoPro action
No,
here.
you're fine. It's great.
It is so cold outside,
I
dude.
was wondering if you were going to bring the car or not because of that.
Well, you know, I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? This is the only day that it's going to work because it goes up to Sound Performance on Thursday to get tuned, and I'd rather have new rubber on there than 10-year-old stuff that, you know, could explode, so, yeah.
How much power your car making?
Right now, no idea. It's a brand new build. It's new motor, new everything, new clutch, so everything's working together, and yeah.
Cool.
So, should be interesting.
Yeah, let me see the car.
So.
Up front?
No, it's not back.
Oh, it's not back?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we can go out there.
Cool.
Take a look at it.
More gas. Note to self, don't forget your wheel key or it will slow things down. So you balancing the tire to the wheel?
Yeah.
Like without any of this, like
it
sticky
takes-
weights that
He can explain it better.
Alright.
Okay,
Explain how
so
force match works.
yeah, so road force or force match is it squishes the tire,
Uh-huh.
and the tire itself has a spring load.
Yeah.
It's like a spring setting in every spot,
Uh-huh.
and it takes the heavy spot of the wheel, the imperfection. So all wheels aren't perfectly round; they all have a little bit of egg shape to them.
Right.
So it puts the part that's bent outward to the heaviest spring setting on the tire.
Really?
It gives you a smooth feeling, so you're doing more than just balancing.
Yeah.
Because you can balance it, and it'll still feel off balance because of the spring rate in the tire itself, the springiness of the tire itself.
That is awesome, actually. That is so cool.
So it helps a lot. Like say, you get brand new Bostons or whatever, and you spend $5,000 on a set of wheels, and they don't ride right off the bat.
Right. That's probably why.
It's kind of upsetting, right? So if you,
Right.
you can get rid of that whole situation by, doing it right from the first time.
Huh.
Well, like Phil was explaining to me once before I force matched his, he used to go to Road America and he could never not have a vibration at like 90 or 100 on the front straight.
Really?
And he said after I force matched him, he didn't have any vibration on the front straight.
That's incredible, dude. I didn't even know that was a thing. That's amazing. Alright guys, we are back. We got the alignment and everything done on the Supra. Unfortunately, right as they started doing the actual alignment on the car, my memory card was full and ran out of space, so unfortunately I didn't get any footage of that. Did want to give a huge shout out to all the guys over at Gator Motorsport here in Indianapolis. They don't normally let people back there to film or anything like that. It was kind of a weird process. I basically had to become an employee for a day just for insurance purposes and stuff like that. So, but huge shout out to those guys. They do excellent work. Super easy in and out, awesome to work with. Really grateful that they were able to go and kind of show me how well they did it. I had never seen load testing on tires before. That was really neat, so that was super cool. The car feels exceptional. The tires on this thing are super sticky. They did say they're probably going to make a little bit more road noise than the NT05s that I had on there before, but honestly, I think these are probably quieter. So I'm really excited to see how they'll do, see how they'll hook up. I'm not worried about putting the car on the dyno or anything up at Sun Performance now because I have these new tires on here. The tires that I had on the car were back from, the rears were from 2010, the fronts were from 08, so more than a little bit expired. For those of you who don't know, tires are only good for about 6 years and you're supposed to go and replace them. So I'm really glad that we were able to go and get this done before we went up to the dyno. because the last thing I would want to have happen is a tire blows out on the dyno or something like that. That would obviously be a huge disaster. So we got nice new fresh rubber on here. It's going to be super sticky. Tread wear is only 100, so it's, I'm sure, probably going to wear out really quick, but I'm really excited about it. It's going to be awesome. So again, huge shout out to the guys over at Gator Motorsport. I cannot thank you guys enough. Other than that, I'm going to change the oil in this thing one last time before we head up to Sound Performance here in a few days, and that should be it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Really appreciate it. Do not forget to like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly Supra and supercar content. I will see you all very soon in the next video. Catch you next time.